Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can change your boot. And please donate in Roblox. So right now, I'm inside the game called Please Donate, where I can ask for donation. So let's say I want to claim this stand. I can come in front of it, click on stand, gleam, and the stand will be claimed. Now, and say I don't like this stand, which means I don't like the position of this stand. I want to change into another stand. So first, what I need to do is unclaim the stand. If I want to change it, so to unclaim a stand, go in front of the stand which you currently own, and click on stand, edit. Once you click on stand edit at the top, you can see this little setting icon. Click on the setting icon and click on unclean. Once you unclean your stand, now you can go into other stand and claim it. Let's say I want to clean this stand. I'm going to go in front of this and click on stand claim. Just like that, I have just changed my stand and claimed another stand. So that's how we guys can change booth. And please donate in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel for future Roblox videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.